pen, paper, and calculator. Don't forget to take notes.
So wait, what is a trial balance of balances?
A trial balance is a bookkeeping or accounting report that lists the balances in each of an organization's general ledger.
There are two types of trial balances. Trial balance of totals and trial balance of balances.
A trial balance of totals contains both a debit and credit balance.
Trial balance of balances contains accounts with open balances.
A debit balance is when the debit total is greater than the credit total. Credit balance is when the credit total is greater than the debit total. A zero balance or closed balance is when both totals are equal, giving zero when subtracted, hence zero balance.
When trial balancing, always remember our code drain. Here we see that in a debit title, the asset and expense increase and the liability, capital, and income decreases.
While in a credit title, we are given the opposite. Asset and expense decrease and liability and income increase.
However, there are exceptions to this rule.
Owners draw it because the capital decreases. It is now considered a debit title.
Contra assets, namely accumulated depreciation and allowance for bad debts, these are now credit titles due to the fact that the assets decrease, hence the name given contra assets. Go.
Now, we are going to trial balance using a T account. We are going to teach you while you follow. Don't forget the code drain.
The first step is to foot money. Here you will add the totals of both debit and credit accounts. We will also get to determine whether an account is to be an open account or a zero balance account. Second step is to head. In the heading, we are given 3 lines. The first line is dedicated to the name of the business. When it is not present, you may use the name of the owner instead. The next line is dedicated to the type of trial balance. The last line is dedicated to the date of the trial balance. When the date is not presented, you may use the date at present. The knuckle trick. The first knuckle on the left of your hand is a 31. Then the space in between the knuckle is a 30. Then the next knuckle is a 31, and so on and so forth. Remember that the peso sign is only needed at the first debit and credit account titles, and at the foot or total of both debit and credit account titles. The third step is to arrange the titles alphabetically by ALC. ALC stands for Assets, Liabilities, Capital, Income, and Expense. The fourth step is to add both the debit and the credit titles. The last and fifth step is to check balance.